Hey y'all, welcome back to my channel. It's your girl Lee, and today I'll be doing a review on this lovely synthetic bob wig. Okay, so this wig is from It's a Wig. I got it from the beauty supply store and it was probably about $45, but I think they're having a sale right now. I don't know. So in this video, I am gonna be installing this wig and giving it a review. So make sure you stay tuned to see how I got it like this and how it was looking in the beginning, because honey, it was not looking like this. And if you're new, make sure you subscribe. Come join this gang. I'm on the road to 1K. Why wouldn't you want to join? I mean, it's 2021. It's up and it's stuck, period. Okay, so before we even get started, I do want to apologize for the smoke alarm. It's going to be going off throughout this video, so please just ignore it. I know it's going to be loud, but okay. So I am going to be reviewing this synthetic wig, y'all. Yes, this is a synthetic wig. I had got this a brick ago, like I want to say 2018. Yeah, I think 2018 I got this, and this is from It's a Wig. I actually got it from the beauty supply store, but you could order from their direct website, or other vendors actually sell this, like other wig companies sell this and other type of wigs like this. But so this color is heather gray, and I think this wig is called, let me see. Yeah, so this wig is called Varuna, and it was about $45, but I think they're having a sale right now for it. So this is what it looks like, and it is a Swiss lace. So it has like a lace part this way, and then around the perimeter of the hair it's like a little bit of lace, but it's literally just a little bit of lace. I already have my hair cornrowed, so I'm just gonna go ahead and fix this bad boy up. So what I'm about to do first is I'm going to put some powder on it. So I am using the Maybelline Fit Me, and this is 355 coconut powder. So yeah, I'm about to just put this on the lace part, and this wig is such an easy thing to put on and do. Like, you don't really have to do too much. And I never wore this like to school or nothing. I actually got it because I wanted something different for New Year's, I guess. So this was like the last minute resort type of thing of why I got this. But this, I'm just putting the powder here. But yeah, I feel like this wig held up pretty well, and I've got some compliments on it. So again, this color is heather gray, but it looks kind of purple or something like that. I don't know. In different lights, it looks different, but I feel like the ends are more lighter, and the top part is like darker, like black almost. So right now, again, I'm just putting the powder on the lace part to make sure that it blends well with my skin. So I actually do have a hole in the lace part. Do y'all see that? It's like two little holes right here and right there. But that's okay, because this was a cheap wig. So now I'm just gonna go ahead and brush it, and I am gonna flat iron it just a little bit. But y'all, look at this. I haven't even flat ironed it, and the last time I wore this was probably 2 years ago. So okay, synthetic. So shedding, it doesn't really shed too much, but with all hair you're gonna get some type of shedding, but I feel like it's pretty good on shedding. And ooh, just got my face, but look at that, it be moving. It's synthetic, but it moves. So now that I'm done putting that on. So I'm gonna be doing a glueless wig, which I don't know why they call it glueless because you're still putting products on it. But I'm gonna be using the Got To Be Glue spray, and I'm gonna be using the Got To Be Glue gel. So that's how we about to put it on. You really don't even need that if we're being honest, but I'm just being a little extra today, and that's what we're gonna do. So it also has some clips in the back. It has one right here, and then 2 in the front, and then also it has adjustable straps. So I'm just gonna put the adjustable straps to fit my head. Okay, so this is what it would look like if you didn't do no baby hairs or nothing. Like, of course it looks like a wig, but I don't think it looks too bad. Actually, when I wore it and like 2-3 years ago, I didn't put no baby hair, so I just wore it as a part, and I don't think it looked that bad. Like, I feel like it still looked fine. But what I'm gonna go ahead and do is do some baby hairs. Let's make this look a little more natural because it's 2021 and we can't be out here looking stupid. It's like, nah, but we can't be out here looking crazy because everybody's into wigs now, so everybody knows what it's supposed to look like and what it's not supposed to look like, and this is an example of what it's not. So I'm gonna go ahead and do that. Take my toothbrush and the gel. I might not even need to use the spray if we're being honest. Take a little bit. And for real, you just gotta keep playing with it. Like, I'm gonna keep playing with it because I never be satisfied with the baby hairs. So we're gonna keep playing with it. Okay, so I was tripping. So I successfully separated the baby hairs versus that. So I'm just gonna go ahead and spray that in place. And over here we're about to be air drying, so I'm gonna do that, and then I'm gonna do the swoops. Easy as that. Okay, so now I did the little swoopty swoops, so I'm gonna spray it. And I'm also gonna put just a little bit of gel, and I did the edges with just water and then a little bit of this. So I'm just gonna put a little bit of this on top just to make sure that the baby hairs don't move. Not too much. And put a little bit back to make sure the hair is separated. And then I'm gonna let that dry. Yeah, so I'm gonna put a little more powder on the hairline and then on the part to make it look more natural, and then I'll flat iron it and style the hair more. Well, not style it, but you know, brush it forward and stuff. So. So I had to change the part because for some reason it was looking off-centered. It still low-key looks a little off-centered, but that's okay. So the baby hairs are a little different from what I just did. Y'all, I be playing with my baby hairs all the time, so they are a little different, but I kind of like them both styles, which are pretty much similar. So I'm just spraying it again because I had to lift the whole thing up and redo it. And it dries pretty quick too, and it was like I had to really put some force in it to lift it up because it's bomb. But I've done glueless wigs before with only using Got To Be Glue spray, and it was good all day, and you can take it off at night. But so now that I'm basically done the baby hairs and that, I'm gonna go ahead and flat iron. I know y'all see it before and after on how it looked in the front. I feel like this makes it look a little more natural than it did before. Ooh, this is burning. I like that. I like that. So this is basically the final result. I think it looks way more natural than it did when I first had it on. And I think this is a cute little go-to wig if you want a little switch up and bob it out. Thank you guys for watching. I hope you guys enjoyed this review slash install slash whatever. But again, if you're new, make sure you subscribe, come join this gang. I'm on the road to 1K, so help me get there, and also hit that notification bell so you'll be notified every time I post a new video. Also make sure you follow all my social media accounts, okay? I am at Lena or at The True Law. Thank you. So I'll see y'all in my next video, and y'all already know it's 2021. It's up and it's stuck, period. Bye y'all.